Hi everybody, I'm Larry Kluger, a member of the Dev Center team for DocuSign. You may have heard about DocuSign for use in sending out documents to be legally signed with electronic signatures, but did you know that over 60% of DocuSign's electronic signature requests are initiated by applications via the DocuSign API? Developers from organizations like T-Mobile, Comcast, Bank of America, Barclays, Nationwide, Angie's List, PayPal, and Microsoft themselves are using the DocuSign API to embed signing into their business processes and workflows, whether B2C, B2B, or B2E. So that's a lot of opportunities for developers. In this short video, I'll show you how to send out a request for signature from your C#.NET Core solution. And by the way, C# is the most popular language used by our developers when they're building applications and services with the DocuSign API. Let's get started with the signer's experience. Here we're looking at Sue Cardella's mobile email app. She's being asked to sign some documents. She can sign from anywhere. I'm showing how she can sign from her mobile. No app install is needed, and the instructions will appear in any one of 43 localized languages depending on how your mobile is set up. Sue first agrees to the electronic record and signature consent disclosure form. Next, the envelope is shown with the first of its 3 documents. Sue signs by using the mobile as a signature pad. Sue also reviews and signs the 2 other documents in the envelope. That's it. Sue has legally signed the documents. So now let's see how this transaction was created from a .NET Core solution. Let's start at the beginning with the DocuSign Dev Center. It enables you to sign up for a free Developer Sandbox account and create an integration key for the API. Next, we'll download the example solution from GitHub. I've installed GitHub Desktop, so it's automatically invoked by IE during the download process. Next, we'll open the solution in Visual Studio. This is a .NET Core example project, and it's all ready to go. It's also available as a separate download as a .NET Framework project. And this example solution is what we call a system integration for DocuSign. So it's designed to send out transactions, which we call envelopes, autonomously. The DocuSign API can also be used to create interactive user applications, which can include an embedded DocuSign signing ceremony if you wish. We'll configure this example via the solution's app.config file, and as a Sound of Cooking shows, I'll use a config file that I've prepared previously. We're configuring this solution to impersonate me, Larry Kluger, and to send out a signing request to Sue Cardella. After Sue signs, a CC copy of the envelope and its signed documents will be sent to me. So let's build and run the solution. We can see that the envelope has been sent. There's its envelope ID. The example also demonstrates the API call for listing the envelopes in my account and their current status. Let's look at the code for sending the envelope that we signed earlier on the mobile. You can see the key steps: checking that we have a good access token for the API and creating a new token if needed. Number 2, creating the envelope definition object. And number 3, last step, using the SDK to send a create envelope request to DocuSign via the API. Check out the example to see all the details. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.